Welcome to Month 12, Lesson 12, Celebrating Healthy Eating. Congratulations, this is the final month of the Cheyenne River Cooking for Health study. Be proud of yourself and the changes you have made. We hope that you will keep up the good work and keep putting your new skills into action at home. This lesson focuses on celebrating healthy eating. We celebrate good choices and healthy food every day, including during holidays, birthdays, and other celebrations. In this lesson, you will learn foods that contain hidden sugars and fats, substitutes for sugar and fat, how to use herbs and spices to flavor food instead of fat and salts, cooking tips to make healthy meals for celebrations, strategies to eat healthy during times of celebration, and carbohydrate counting. Holidays and celebrations are a special time to share meals with family and friends. Many foods commonly eaten during celebrations are high in sugar and unhealthy saturated fats. As you learned in Month 9, Lesson 9, these sources of empty calories are not good for your health. Many people with diabetes choose to use artificial sweeteners when cooking or baking since artificial sweeteners don't impact blood sugar levels. For baked goods like cookies, cake, or brownies, it is usually not possible to replace all of the sugar in a recipe with an artificial sweetener. This is because sugar not only provides sweetness to recipes, but also structure and texture, moisture, and browning properties. Try replacing half the sugar with one of the alternatives. If you are unhappy with the results, try using a different ratio, like more sugar and less artificial sweetener. Also, brands of artificial sweeteners are rapidly changing, so check your grocery stores regularly to see what is available and how the sweetener is best used. Applesauce and plain yogurt are good fat substitutes in most recipes. For maximum texture and flavor, replace no more than half the amount of fat listed in the recipe with applesauce. For instance, if a recipe calls for half a cup of margarine, you can substitute 1/4 cup applesauce. This saves you 44 grams of total fat and 400 calories. Mashed ripe bananas work well as fat substitutes in carrot or banana cake or muffins. Purchased fruit puree mixtures, usually prune-based, work well in chocolate, spice, and carrot cakes. Follow the label instructions. Fruit-flavored baby foods work well as fat substitutes. Replace 1 whole egg in a recipe with 1/2 cup fat-free, cholesterol-free egg product substitutes, such as egg beaters or 2 egg whites. This saves you more than 10 grams of fat and 100 calories. Using herbs and spices to season food is a great way to enhance flavor. You can also use herbs and spices to replace sugar and salt in some recipes. Fresh herbs add great flavor to uncooked dishes like salads or cold pastas. If using in a cooked dish, add in the last few minutes of cooking so flavor stays vibrant, unless the recipe says otherwise. Dried herbs and spices are great for marinades, slow-cooked soups or stews, pastas, casseroles, and many other dishes. Add them near the start of cooking so they have time to soften and release their flavors. Sweet-tasting spices like ginger and cinnamon can be used to replace sugar in some recipes, such as oatmeal. Savory spices like garlic, curry, and onion can be used to replace salt in some recipes. Make sure you explore the binder this month to learn about exciting new topics like cooking healthy meals for celebrations and delicious flavor combinations using spices. Check out the end of the lesson for healthy recipes like angel food cake. If you fill out the postcard in your binder and send it or bring it to Missouri Breaks, you'll receive an extra entry in this month's raffle.